Yeah.
Because the president of the United States is the chairman of the Fed when it comes to the real estate people. If you look at what has happened in real estate in the last 10 years, none of our gains, or I should say a very small percentage of our gains, have come from what any Republican or Democrat has done, failed to do, or anything related to that. The vast majority of our money has come in because the Fed over the last 15 years has completely changed the way that they do business, flooding the market with humongous amounts of money. They call it quantitative easing, QE 1, 2, 3, 4, QE forever, and then cutting interest rates, right? Those people, they are the ones that are controlling our destiny at this point in time. If you're a real estate investor today, you're in a very, very good place. 48 out of 50 markets are hitting all-times high. In the middle of a pandemic where we can't even evict people, there are no price drops in multifamily, which makes no sense until you understand that we also have the friendliest Fed in history. They're friendly beyond all reasonable, assumptions. And so to me, the only time when Republicans or Democrats make a difference, anytime they move the needle, is when a party has the Senate and the presidency, and they're very, very close on the House. So they're very close, which certainly wasn't the case. Obviously, the Democrats had full control of the House for the last 4 years. So what we have today is a hung presidency, a president who, in this case, it's going to be a Democrat president most likely, and he's going to have to basically deal with a Republican Senate and a House which is fractured. His own House is fractured between left and far left. His ability to do much is restricted. Now, you might think that that's bad. Yes, it's horrible for the country, but we're talking about real estate. Real estate actually thrives when there's hung governments. And we haven't really had anything but a hung government. Obama had a clear mandate from 2008 to 2010, didn't manage to do anything except Obamacare. So that's one thing that he got done during the time when he had mandate. Then Republicans had it for a couple of years, and they managed to get the tax cuts, their tax cuts. That was a big one for them. They managed to get that done. That did help real estate, right? So my point was, if you control presidency, Senate, and House, you can get stuff done that can hurt real estate or help real estate. But otherwise, it's the Fed. It's the Fed. President Trump has been involved in hundreds of lawsuits in the last 30 years. If somebody is disenfranchising Trump, he knows how to take care of that.
Yeah.
No one knows how to do that better than President Trump does, right?
Yeah.
So if somebody is screwing him, he's going to have a million lawyers up their ass.
Yeah.
Given that you don't have a million lawyers, just get on with it.